Hi, I'm Charles Norwood. I'm originally from Toledo, Ohio. I stayed from Atlanta for about maybe 15 to 20 years. In that progress there, I've actually met a few people along the way. I ran across a company which I thought was very intriguing to me. I was looking for a company that actually had some perfect stability, a great sales background organization with a great foundation, with sort of family orient. I am a father of 7, believe it or not. And we currently reside here in Jacksonville, Florida, which I have relocated through the financial structure of Senior Life Services. I was with Senior Life Services for a little under 3 years. First year of income, I was able to establish a little over $60,000. With the bonus sales program, I was able to achieve a little under $12,000. In my second year, I achieved double, and in my third year, nearly tripled. The sales bonus program is phenomenal and is unlimited. And in that process of the 2 years, I was able to captivate this ring right here, which is a President's Club, Puerto Rico, which was very, very beautiful, sunny skies. I got to meet some of the owners and managers from all over the world. And also, I'm headed to the Grand Cayman Islands this year as well. The sales program, again, is unlimited. And in that process, I was able to become a manager, and I was actually able to relocate. When I relocated from one state to the next. Senior Life Services provided me stability in my financial background to go into one state to another and take care of my finances. And as you know, when you look into the future, you want to make sure you have financial stability as you have in the present. With the residual program, it allowed me to think about those finances for now and for later for my family. I highly recommend, if you're looking for a company with stability, with a great foundation, and family-like organization or organisms, I highly suggest you join Senior Life Services. It has done nothing but great wonders for me and my family, and also great freedom. You pretty much write your check here at Senior Life Services.